Okay, this is a 49H102, means it's a stainless steel with the special tires to get an extra lift. It has extended range blades on it, so it'll go out to 70 feet spread pattern. It's always designed to go into higher crops or maturing crops, so you can get them a little shot of nitrogen and cotton if it needs it. This has the fixed axles on them, but we also have this model in an adjustable axle, which would go from 72 all the way out to 120. This unit has the extended range blades on it, which requires the special motors on this unit. They're 1.25 inch diameter in the shaft. They're still 1.5 inch gear sections, and but they're just stronger and can take more pressure, and therefore can deliver more torque. And it's designed for an ISO kit with a Raven ISO, so it'll hook up to any kind of John Deere or Case tractors or any other tractor that has ISO. This unit has our 24-inch clinch chain in it. It's designed to wrap back around for extra strength. It is 24 inches, but yet with the ISO kit, all hydraulic, you can get down to very low rates. On the front of it, it has an adjustable hitch. So with the extra height, you can get on the standard 18 or 21 inch height, whichever your tractor is. It's designed for the higher flows with the special flow control valve. And it's, like I said, it's designed for a closed center system. Okay, this has our new gearbox from Superior on it. Most people know that other manufacturer quit making them, went to Superior. We've been really satisfied with them. But one thing is, long term with these gearboxes, they would always have condensation in it. So we came up with a device here that lets it breathe, naturally aspirated, so you get rid of your condensation. But it only takes a very little amount of oil, only about 8 ounces.
Visit our website, newtoncrouch.com, for equipment specifications and technical tips. Give us a call at 800-241-1350. Our sales representatives will be glad to discuss your specific needs. They can help you select the options and the equipment type that will give you the best value for your investment. When you call NCI, you will always speak with a person who will make sure your questions are answered. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.